Hello friends, this is Raite Ankita Mukund, working as assistant professor in chemistry at Maratha Vidyaprasarak Samaj, Nasik. In last video lecture, we have seen the concept of conformation of polysubstituted cyclohexane and 6-member ring with sp2 carbon and also concept of energy profile diagram. Today, in this video lecture, I will talk about the concept of Newman projection, stagger, eclipse, and also alkanes and cycloalkanes conformation and cis-trans stereoisomerism, conformation analysis of ethane, butane, steric strain, and also 1,3-dimethyl cyclohexane, 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane, energy content, cyclic alkane, and also disubstituted chair. The first is conformation. Different arrangement of atom that can be converted into one another by rotation about single bond are called conformation. Newman projection. For conformational analysis, special a, a special type of structural formula is convened to use, which is called Newman projection formula, and another type is Sohor's formula. The front carbon and another bonds are represented as those of the back carbon. The front carbon is denoted as pink color and back carbon is denoted as a black color. In this figure, dihedral torsional angle between one atom group on the front atom of a Newman projection and atom group on the back atom. Stagger conformation of molecule is that the conformation where the dihedral angle between the bonds one each atom of the carbon-carbon bond is 60, 180 and also 300 degree. Stagger conformation in a 60 degree is a gauge, 180 degree is a anti, minus 60 is a gauge, also gauge. Eclipse conformation, the atom bonded to carbon at each end of carbon-carbon bond are directly opposite to one another is dihedral angle between is a 0 degree, 120 and also 240. Alkenes and cycloalkanes conformation and cis trans stereoisomerism. In a first video lecture, I will talk about what is the stereochemistry and the basic concept I explain in this first video lecture. In short, stereochemistry is three-dimensional aspect of molecule and conformation is a different special arrangement of atom that result from rotational about single sigma bonds. Conformer, a special conformation of atom. Conformation of analysis of ethane, Sohor's formula are represented. Next is the conformation analysis of a butane. Two different stagger and eclipse conformation. Stagger is a anti means two group are opposite and syn means two groups are in a same site. Stagger gauge, the CH3 in gauge are represented in a pink color. Steric strain, repulsive interaction that occur when two groups are closer than their atomic radii is allowed. Eclipse conformation of a butane, rotational barrier of a butane is 25 kg per mole. A CH3 eclipse interaction is 17 kg per mole. Substituent is denoted as R. R is FCl, Br, I, OH, NH2, NCH3, 2, CH3, CH2, CH3, and also C6H5, C6H5, CO2H, CN. This is a substituent per 1,3 interaction kg per mole. Energy also given. Total strain energy and equatorial axial value are given in this table. 1,3-dimethyl cyclohexane and also 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane. In 1,3-dimethyl cyclohexane, cis to equatorial and also conversion is cis to axial. In a cis axial optically inactive vertical plane of symmetry. Optically inactive means symmetrical, and 2 1 3 diaxial CH3 energy is total energy is 5.4 kg kcl per mole, means CH3H bond is 2, so 0.9 into 2 is 1.8 kcl per mole, 1.8 into 2 3.6 kcl per mole. CH3 interaction is 1.8, total energy is 5.4 kcl per mole. In a cis EE means equatorial energy is 0 kcl per mole, no energy. In a trans, one is axial, one is equatorial. Ring flipping conversion means trans one is equatorial and trans one is axial. So trans AE means equatorial axial equatorial, optically active means asymmetrical. So 1 CH3H 1,3 diaxial interaction is 0.9 and CH3H 1,5 diaxial interaction is 0.9. So total energy is 1.8, means cis axial total energy is 5.4 and equatorial no energy, so 0, and trans AE axial equatorial or equatorial axial energy is 1.8. Next is a 1.4 dimethyl cyclohexane. Cis one is equatorial, one is axial, and another is one is equatorial, one is axial. See, trans to equatorial and trans to axial. In a cis axial into cis equatorial and also cis axial to trans axial equatorial, no ring flipping. Energy of a 1,4 dimethyl cyclohexane in a cis AE axial equatorial CH3H 1,3 dimethyl interaction is 0.6, and also CH3H 1.5 diaxial interaction 0.6. Total energy is 1.8. Optically active means asymmetrical. In a trans equatorial optically active means asymmetrical, and energy is also 0, no energy. In a trans axial CH3H 0.9 into 2 is equal to 1.8, and also CH3H 0.9 into 2 1.8, total energy is 3.6 kcl per mole. In a trans AA axial and trans EE 0. And also again repeat the energy content of a cis 1,3 axial energy is 5.4 and cis equatorial energy is 0. Trans EA 1.8. In a 1,4 dimethyl cyclohexane cis axial equatorial energy is 1.8, and trans EE energy is 0, and trans AA energy is 3.6. Next, cycloalkanes. Substituents on a cycloalkane can be cis or trans to each other by draw the ring plane of paper and use a dash and swag to show whether substituents are above or below in the on the plane of the ring. The correct cis and trans wedge or dotted line are shown in this figure. Correct and incorrect structure I draw in this slide. Next is a cyclohexane. For cyclohexane, you may be asked to draw chair, in which case of substituent must be either axial or equatorial. The following: the correct way, draw the chair cyclohexane not have the axial and equatorial substituent are represented of the carbon. The six the six carbon or hydrogen are axial, and another is equatorial. Substituent chair cyclohexane correct structure of a trans and cis I draw, and it correct structure in this below. Thank you so much. You should understand the concept, and here I go to prepare video series of stereochemistry. I will stop here. You watch this video. I hope to understand the concept. Thank you so much. See you in next video lecture.